You're about to step on stage, or perhaps you've just received an alarming phone call, and you feel that sudden rush. This is a physical hijacking, your lizard brain taking command of your body. In this state, the brain is locked into the sympathetic nervous system. To break the cycle, we have to transition the body into the parasympathetic state, which governs rest and stabilization. We can achieve this through a specific 4-step sequence of biological interventions. These actions signal safety directly to the frontal lobe, overriding evolutionary fear protocols. By following these steps over the next 5 minutes, you will move neurological activity out of the reactive brainstem and back into the executive centers of the brain. Step 1 targets the chemical trigger of your agitation. When carbon dioxide builds up in the lungs, it signals the brain to panic. To stop the signal, we have to offload the gas. Sit comfortably. Take a slow, deep breath in through your nose. Now, take a second, shorter, sharp inhale on top of the first. This second burst of air fully inflates the tiny air sacs in your lungs, maximizing their surface area. Now, exhale slowly through your mouth. Keep the outward breath moving for twice as long as the double inhale. This rapid carbon dioxide dump lowers your heart rate almost immediately, breaking the physiological feedback loop of the stress response. Step 2 utilizes the link between your vision and your nervous system. High stress causes tunnel vision, a trait evolved to help our ancestors lock onto a predator. Pick a single point directly in front of you. Keep your eyes fixed on that point without moving your eyeballs. While maintaining that forward gaze, consciously expand your awareness to the furthest left and right edges of your peripheral vision. Now, push that awareness vertically. Notice the ceiling and the floor simultaneously, creating a panoramic view of the room. Transitioning from tunnel vision to a panoramic gaze sends an immediate neurological signal to the brain's calming centers that there is no immediate threat in the environment. Step 3 stimulates the vagus nerve. This is the primary highway of information connecting the organs of the body directly to the brainstem. We can activate this nerve through laryngeal vibration, by humming, or by using cold water on the face to engage the mammalian diving reflex. Take a breath and begin humming a low-frequency note. Maintain it steadily for 15 seconds. Focus on the physical sensation of the vibration as it centers in your chest and your throat. Humming creates a physical vibration in the throat that stimulates the vagus nerve directly. Whether through this vibration or the diving reflex triggered by cold water, these physical inputs command the heart to slow down, forcing the mind to center. The final step moves from physical adjustments to metacognition, the process of thinking about your own thoughts. When you feel overwhelmed, neurological activity is concentrated in the emotional center of the brain, the amygdala. To shift that energy, describe your physical state as clinical data. Say to yourself, I am experiencing a spike in cortisol, or I am having a thought about anxiety. This act of categorical labeling redirects the brain's energy away from the amygdala and into the prefrontal cortex, the seat of rational thought. By treating emotions as biological data, you strip away the fear response and return processing power to your logical mind. Take a normal breath. Acknowledge the shift in your heart rate and the sense of calm you have established. You have just engaged 4 physiological levers: offloading carbon dioxide, expanding your vision, stimulating the vagus nerve, and categorizing biological data. Practicing this 4-step sequence during calm moments ensures the response becomes an automatic habit during times of stress. You are no longer subject to the whims of a sudden adrenaline spike. You now have the means to recalibrate your nervous system on demand.